So I just ordered Roscoe's chicken and waffle. Never had it ever, so I want to see what the hype is about. Let's see. I got the Obama special too, so it better be on point. And it got a little hot sauce. You know I love me some hot sauce. Hold on. Let me see what that, cause if anybody know, y'all know I'm a connoisseur. Ooh. I'm a connoisseur of hot sauces, and this, matter of fact, it tastes like Louisiana hot sauce. And that's my favorite hot sauce. It's more vinegary than spicy, if that makes sense. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna try the waffle first. Oh, it's cinnamony. Got a lot of cinnamon in it. That was just to experience. Second one is for actual. Okay. Now let's get this chicken about. The chicken. The hot sauce helping it. Yeah. I can get better chicken from Popeyes. And I'm not a big waffle fan, so I can't really judge. I'm a French toast girl. But the waffle is like cinnamony. I taste a lot of cinnamon and like that type of taste to it. The texture is thick. Oh, it's thick because it's layered. A high moment. Oh shit. Overall, I give it, out of 5, I give it a 3.5. Yeah.